Good day, hustlers. It's your boy, better yet your man, Markel Prines, the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. Now, I'm going to give you that part of my title right there once again so you are reminded. Now, I'm saying that right now because of this. Did you know that the gurus are out there right now massively promoting certain opportunities, certain ways to make money? Now, you might think that's a good thing, but I want you to think logically. I want you to have a little bit of common sense thinking. Think to yourself. Let's say you wanted to start a restaurant. Now, you have an idea for a restaurant, right? Now, how many people would you rather know about your idea for this restaurant? Would you rather 1,000 people know about your idea for the restaurant? Or would you rather just about 100 people or even 10 people, better yet? Think about that. Now me, logically thinking, logically with common sense, knowledge thinking, I would say I would rather 10 people know about that idea. Because what that means is there's less likely of a chance of competition. 9 times out of 10, most people don't take action on any given idea, whether it can actually make you $100, $1,000, $10,000, or $1 million. If you give the average person a business plan, an idea that will actually produce those type of results, they will never act on it. So in that scenario, you would rather only 10 people to know about your idea, your restaurant, because statistically speaking, probably only one person out of those 10 will actually take action and end up doing something. So that means that's only one person that you have to be in competition with, right? Now, if you were to choose the million or the hundreds of thousands of people to know about your product, then in my mind, that would be crazy, because the percentage means that there would be a lot more competition. Now, that should make sense to the majority of the people watching this video. But I want you to think about this. Why is it that when you go online and you're looking for an opportunity to make money from home, why is it that you look for the postings with the people with the most views, with the most comments, with the most likes, with the most, testimonials, so to speak? Now, I know logically thinking, you're saying to yourself, you want to see evidence and proof. You want to know that other people are involved in this and that it actually works. Okay, that's a logical thought. But using our first example, you may see where your thinking has some faults and holes. Yes, it is good to have examples of success, which, for example, when it comes to affiliate marketing and doing a particular business that I do and how I do it, showing people how to build a business based off of skills, something that is transferable, something that they can build upon and use and have for longevity. There's a lot of people that are successful doing this exact business. Now, the reason you might not see or know these people is because they're professionals. They're not like the people that you see online that's, blasting out their information on, click this link here, click this link there. These are actual professionals that are making money with affiliate marketing in the background, but they're not boisterous about it. They do it on the low, so to speak, and they are out here making money and they're showing others how to do it, just like with our system here. Now, going back to our logical thinking. Now, of course, we want proof of concept, which we have. We can show you examples of how there's hundreds of people on a daily basis making money with our system, and those examples will be shared with you. Now, let's go back to the numbers. When I think about building a business, the first thing that comes to my mind is that I want something that I like and I love to do, and something that has little to no competition. Now, with what I do, I carved out a niche for myself, which separates me from a lot of other people. I have special skill sets which I teach my personal students if they decide to join me in my business. Now, I create animated videos such as the ones that you will see in this video as we flash through, and I show my team members and the people that I partner with how to do this also, so that they can go off and do whatever it is that they want to do with their newfound skill. Now, if I was to tell 1 million people through my social media, then that would make it 1 million people worth of competition for my team. That's where things get a little out of hand, when everybody's competing doing the same thing. But that would be an issue if it was a traditional type of business, if it was based off of selling certain products and services instead of acquiring skills, necessary skills. Because the one thing that you need, well, I should say, the things that you need are products, traffic, and the ability to hold and retarget your leads when you get those leads. So you want to be able to do all of those things, but you also want to be able to have a system that moves them forward smoothly, that's easy and simple to do, and something that's duplicatable, something that they can show other people how to do, and that's how you build a community. Now, we use certain elements of other business models. Let's say network marketing. That was an industry that I started out in. So that model usually focused on acquiring people and building, businesses and, different legs and all that kind of stuff, if you're familiar with that, but that's a whole nother story. But there's some great elements of that. It teaches you how to build teams and work together. So along with building skills, which is necessary, skills, having the skill set, that's kind of like a person being able to fix a car or build a house. If you know how to do those things, then it doesn't matter where you move to. If you can find the tools to do what it is that you need to get done, you'll always be able to make some money. Somebody's car is going to break down somewhere where you could possibly make some money fixing it, or somebody's house, something might go wrong and you'll be able to repair that. So these are skills that a person would have. Now online, there's certain skills that you all need to have, no matter what you're doing, no matter what product or service that you decide to promote. So first skill is being able to create a landing page or a lead magnet page, whatever you want to call it, or a funnel. A lot of people call it funnels because it's multiple pages and or it's multiple levels of what a person goes through, multiple sequences. You might hear different terminology, but simply being able to create those type of pages, that's one skill that you can transfer to multiple things, hundreds, thousands of different opportunities. And those are only opportunities that you'll come up with in your own mind. and that's the purpose. We want to teach you transferable skills so that you can apply it to whatever you like and whatever you love to do. So that's when you have that balance in life of financial stability and joy of life, being able to do the things that you like and love. And I can't help but to start to smile a little bit just thinking about the fact that I'm able to do the things that I like and I love. As you can see, the animated characters and the animations, I make some crazy stuff. Sometimes I have plans on making a lot more wilder type of animated videos and stuff like that, but that's part of my personality. And you know, as I said in the previous video, whoever likes it, whoever doesn't, but it's what I do and what I find enjoyment in, and it also allows me to make money from home at the same time. Now, your thing may be something else, but whatever that is, I want to be able to help you build upon that and use that in order to help you build an income from home, so that either you can cut back on the hours at your job or be able to provide yourself with a little extra spending money to go on a vacation. So we have what I call our income calculator, which I created, and it's going to be in the link in the description of this video. All you have to do is visit our blog, where you can read any of our blog articles and, you know, learn something, get educated on stuff. I'm constantly updating the blog, including more information, more helpful tips and tricks, new things that come out, just to give you guys, you know, more ideas, more resources, so that you can become better affiliate marketers. Now, that's the reason, part of the reason why I gave myself the title, the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. I've been using that for years, and as part of my introduction. But I need to add me some water here. At the same time, I should add some water. Matter of fact, got my bottle back here. But that's part of the reason why I've given myself that title, because I'm more focused and dedicated to helping individuals who want to also be on the inside, be on the other side, and see the truth about how to make money from home. We have an easy, simple system. All you have to do is just go through that system itself. And part of the system is scheduling a call with me so that we can speak one-on-one, and I can, you know, give you direct information, cut straight to the chase. So get you started fast paced so that you can move on to the next level and start building and learning the necessary skills. So like I said, video animation, website creation, blogging, you know, adding additional things, and the things that really matter. I'm not going to give away too many things here, because that's for our team. That's for the people that decide to join us. And I want to definitely respect them by providing the information to the people that earned it, that deserve it, and we're going to build from there. So with that, allow me to give you my full intro. Get a sip of water real quick. Got the big joint there, water joint. Good day, good day. It's your boy, better yet your man, Markel Prines, MrRVADelivered.com, the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. No suit, no tie, no college degree, but we still out here making money, and so can you. See you guys in the next video.